This is that bridge earlier. That's got to be 12 feet. Already it's gone down from where it was. 15 feet maybe. The water was over the bridge. You see all the sticks that washed in there when the water was coming over the bridge. There's all the garbage that was on there. Here's that tree. You can see the tree where the water was, where the bark got taken off by all the junk floating down. That water's still huge, but nowhere near what it was before. And then here's looking up the stream. Like I said, normally you can just walk across that. Crazy.